Here's a quick video on launching flights, mission chaining. We're going to select Dock 2. We're going to come into our screening and see all of our pre-flight checks that we'll check off. If this is your first time launching your drone for the day, we're going to click that Open Dock button in the top. This is just so you can get a visual inspection of your drone before you launch it. If you've done several flights throughout the day, you could skip this step, but it's generally a good idea to put eyes on the drone before doing anything. So as your camera's loading everything in the top right, you can click Add next to missions to see all of the missions that are built within your project. You can select whichever of these you want to add to mission chain. So it's going to default to whatever mission you launch from. We launched the Dock in test plan for training. So that is the mission you can see in the top right. And then we selected the exclusion piano to add to mission chaining. So you check off all of your pre-flights and you click accept. Then you get additional pre-flights that are automated. We have the temperature warning that we accepted. And then you're going to press and hold start for 3 seconds. And now it's going to launch your drone. So we went ahead and sped this up so we don't have to watch a 2.5 minute flight, but you can see it following telemetry. You can see your telemetry in the bottom of the screen, altitude 200 feet, distance from dock. Horizontal speed is about 22 miles an hour. Vertical speed is 0 because we're in a specific altitude. And then as we come to the end of the mission in the top right, you'll see that it goes from test plan for training to its next mission that we had chained, the exclusion piano. Now we stuck this piano right in the middle of the exclusion zone, so we're going to try to fly towards that piano. And then as we fly there, you can see in telemetry, so on the lines, that we slow down as we near that exclusion zone. Once the drone hits that exclusion zone, you can see in the top left that we are doing autonomous flight. It is now switched to going home. It says, hey, we ran into an exclusion zone, so we don't know what to do from here. We're just going to go to the dock so you can check things out. And that's it. Thanks.